Yung talong na urong suwag. Kakain na tayo magkatuloy tayo, syempre. I was so excited, so I need some, what do you call it? I need some spoon kasi mainit yung aking sandok. Monta, nakaliguran yung ko kanya mapalimalin. Wala mo tayo okay yung asigan. So mga nakaliguran. So ayning kaya katang balasenas. Kinita nyo mo yung kusina. Diba? Kanya mana, oh. Kanya mana, be? Kainan na. Indaing na. Nyaman ang daing na, ne. Kaya itil-tilimeng. Hindi ka pa pang version kata. Itil-til tayong aslam. Aslam, atin yan lara. Wow, atin yan sibuyas ala ko mong bawang. Alright, we gonna eat. Oh my God. It was so yummy. Nyaman na. Gusto ini. Kaya mapaglalakalaw pa ko. Wow. Ano naman? Kay, ating kampantulak na. Diyos ko, may sira yung diet mo. Ba't ngayon mo? Kumusta ko po? Siyempre, right in here on my vlog, you are the video. Kumusta na po? And buenos dias, buenas noches, buenas tardes, and take care of mucho ayun sa pag in Korea. And of course, if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe, comment, down below. Today is Wednesday, but I don't know, I think I just already thought today is we're gonna go to the supermarket and I explore you the beautiful. And of course, right now my job because it's almost like a 6:30. Yes, and of course the light is still going on, and it's still look at the beautiful sky. And of course the sky is blue. It looks like a painting right there. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket and grab something to eat. We're gonna see. Siyempre, okay, we are in the Ligas pedestrian right in here. Lagi na naman akong people nagpo-vlog mo. But it's okay. I love it. And siyempre, balang araw mag-i-story lang ang ating buhay. We're gonna go in. Then nakalimutan ko kung anong video. What I'm gonna buy, like something like veggie. Alright, it's so cold. Wow, look at the product, and I love their foods. And look at the fish. That's fish in here. Oh, so banana. So I like to grab some banana. Let me check it out. Check out ng banana. This one like almost like 200,000 won. So right in here. Magtotota na lang ako ng I just bought it. This one sounds like the 1,000 won. So magtotota na lang ako ng talong pagdating sa bahay. And of course ang daing doon bigay ni Matindi. And you know what? In Korea, the kimchi is right in there. Ito yung world of the kimchi. And of course everything is in there. The kimchi and of course dito hindi lang ginagawa ang mga authentic ng kimchi. It's really good. So, syempre mag-prepare lang natin. Because I'm wondering to eat na Philippine sa like inamurang halaga. Kailangan mo ng kanin dapat dito more chocolates na pwede natin padala. So mga job card, just all we do, we're gonna pay this one and then we're gonna go back home. Mga job card is nabayaran ko na, just all we do, we're gonna go back home. Kumusta po guys sa ating mga job sa ating winning award. And of course, look at the beautiful water. It's what so nice. It look like parang painting like yung cloud right in here in Korea. It's our cloud because God created that. And right in here, siyempre bukas na yung mga alitap-tap. And of course, yung mga alimango sa dagat, nangangagat. Ay, gusto ko yan, alimango. This alimango, lagyan mo siya ng what you call it, something like gata at kalabasa. Yes, eto na. Ating mga Java guys, so araw ng ating pahinga. So, this is all we can go back home. kakain at magluluto. I wanna cook something like yung ano lang, ang tanong lang is simple because I have some onion house and of course I got the, what do you call that? I got the egg, dito ko lang at saka fried rice. So, I think that's it. Pwede na yan. At pagsaluhan natin. Siyempre, we need to be more patient at saka more humble at saka more worth ang pagiging isang OFW. Wow, we always inspire, never expect. And of course, also like mga breadwinning award, congratulations mga Jobber Cards. And because the award is goes in right in here. Ito, now look at the beautiful cloud. And right now, ito yung Korea Hotel. Hindi pa tayo nakapunta dyan. And of course, we hear the singing kuig. And siya mga Jobber Cards, gutom na rin yung ating but it's okay. And of course, I'm enjoying the view because like a Sunday, mag-i-story na lang ng ating. But right now, it's almost like a 6:37. Mag-7 na is almost like the peak hour. And with the other side is maybe a little bit like a traffic. We're walking here in the shadow. So we're gonna cross on the street and then we're gonna wait the blue light, and of course it's still like a red light. Yes, I want to go look at a beautiful like the umbrella, and of course when you're walking right in here on the sidewalk, you can enjoy, and that's it. So that's one is the way to Gyeongtaek, and that's the way to Seoul, and of course that is the way to heaven. So mga Jobber Cards, will see you in the house. Luto tayo siyempre pag may time, siyempre para makatipid, and of course healthy, organic at masustansya pa. So let's go sa aking final week. Kumusta ako? Sa Kibol kilala mo second. Welcome sa ating sa pagkatang paspol. Magluto ka! Ang tortang egg! Siyempre hindi mawala ang ating laro sinsa magkilang papaya torta! Talong! Siyempre, at meron akong daing. Guess what? Nilagay ko yung aking daing on right in here sa aking pinakuluan na talong. Because I wanna like it more tender. Leron sinsa magkilang papaya. Dalay buslo, magluto na tayo. Yes! So today is I have the, what you call that? I have only the onion. And I have a 3 eggs, the left on the right. Potang talong, simple hack for cooking. Yes, content din ito, at least original. And of course, this one is a very organic food. So I'm gonna check it out if it's okay or not. At iani pa natin yan. Ibubuild pa natin. So, simple hack for cooking mga Jobber Cards at tipid. Dahil wala akong magic, lalagyan na lang natin ng pitchin. Yes. At lalagyan na lang natin ng, what you call that? Iodized salt. And we're gonna scramble. I'm gonna scramble your egg with my, what you call that, spoon. That's it. At saka meron tayong, what you call that? Wala tayong pepper, but actually, but it's okay. Okay na yan. Simple hack for cooking. At saka isaw-saw mo siya sa suka. Ang sarap! Mga kaibigan, saan ka? Ito na. Yes, dito ako. Yes, right in here. I'm gonna put in here ang ating talong na purong sulong. Like a simple hack for cooking like that. But you know what? The most important is we have a food on our table. Yes, kumusta ka bilang isang OFW? Yes, well, ako ito pa rin. Walang himala, dagdagan ko para malasa-lasa. Kasi wala akong paminta. But it's alright. I don't think so if I have some... I don't have some oyster sauce, but I think it's okay. So just all we do is luluto na tayo. At magpa-fried rice ako later on. Kasi meron akong leftover na, what you call that? I got leftover rice. So, okay. Wala tayong pasumpik-sumpik pa. I have organic. Medyo mainit-init. Cooking oil. Yes, cooking oil pa. Yes, this oil is you can use for a massage. Yes. Basta wala lang hangin. Iba naman ang ini-SF mo. Ay! Ano ba yan? But it's okay. We always inspired. Never expired. Ayan lang natin yung uminit-init. So, gusto natin konti ang ating what you call that? Ang ating dog is almost like a 7:30 right in here. Araw ng aking pahinga. Lagyan ko lang yan. i-ano ko lang siya. I'm gonna open inside. Shalom. Iba naman iisip mo, pre. Yes, ganun lang yan. At saka, and then we gonna dip in here. Yes, ganun lang like simple hot for cooking. So, niluto ko na. I have a 5 pieces actually. Diba? So, mga Jabber Cats, samahan mo ako. Sa araw na to, ikaw ang tita sa aking kwento. Ganun lang yan. Hindi ko na siya babalatan. And actually, it's like a simple hot. I'm gonna cut it on the middle and I'm gonna init. Stinyawa. Ang init ba? Yan. Ganun lang yan. And then we gonna buka-buka. Walang buka-buka. Siyempre, mainit na siya. We gonna put it here. Easy. Yes. Alright. Diba? Ganun lang yan. So, easy ang ating pagluluto. Lulutuin ko na lahat yan mga Jabber Cats. Alam mo ba? Organic na, masustansya pa. Lagyan lang natin suka sa ating sausawan. And of course ito, lagyan natin ng konting sibuyas. At lalagyan natin ito, deep fry natin siya na konti. Yeah, that's it. Wow, talaga simple hotdog po yung mga Jabber Cats. Ganun lang kasimple ang buhay. Simpleng buhay kay saya. Mayroong ngiti, mayroong saya. Yes. Dahil maulan, hindi bumabaha dito. Yes. Sana nagtrabaho na lang sa DWH. Diba? Para lumaki-laki ang pera ko. Yes. Para hindi na ako mahirapan. Lahat ng nangarap na magtrabaho sa DWH. No. Siyempre, we always inspired. Masarap pa rin ang pera is kinikita in the nice way. Yeah, you know what I mean? Ganun lang yun. Mga Jabber Cats right in here and I'm gonna show you the love tonight. Yes, ayan na. Kaliguran. Yes. And of course, I'm gonna flip that. Babalik ka rin lang natin. At meron pa akong 4 at saka ang ating itlog. And oh my God, Jabber Cats. That's like a simple hot for cooking. Kasi nag-iisa lang tayo. Ako yung mga konsensya. Sensei in here. Right in here. One. Okay. Like a simple hot for cooking. Easily chop lang natin ito. Babalik na rin lang natin. But we need to be careful when we babaliktad. Baliktad. Okay? Magbabaliktad pa rin ang munggo. Talong pa rin yan. Oh, mga Jabber Cats. I think this one is, I'm gonna smell it. Ito, ating magic tray. Yes, number 1. Parang hindi yata nakuha yung number 1. I think number 2. It's really like a beautiful. Look at that. Siyempre, hindi pa tapos. Ito, i-saving ko to para bukas mabaunin ko sa aking trabaho. After that, mga Jabber Cats, we gonna go on it. So, abangan mo, magpiprito pa rin ako ng daing. Putik tayo for today. Yes! Mga Jabber Cats. Ito na, sinalam ko na rin ang daing. Pagkatapos ng daing, luto na ang ang ating sawang. And of course, nakagawa na rin ako ng sausawan. And of course, we gonna wait. At saka pa rin, magsasangag pa rin ako ng rice. Kasi meron akong kaldero. At saka yung aking rice, syempre, fresh from the farm. At saka kakain na tayo. We're gonna go on it and we're gonna mukbang for today. We're gonna celebrate my love for you. Parang pista. Ano ba yan? So I'm gonna put the dried fish like on the top. Dito na lang siya. Parang drop like it hot. At saka, syempre, maalat ang kakainin natin. Tsaka yung rice, hindi na siya dapat na masyadong maalat. But, so, syempre, I don't waste yung kanyang lasa. Dito na rin ako magsasangag ng sandamakmak na kanin. Sasangag ko na siya in here. Saan ang ating laksa ko lang makapoy. Medyo butog na ang iyong lingkod. Yes, tamang-tama. Meron tayong soft drinks. Meron tayong suka. Sangka pa. Diba right in here. Nilagyan ko na ng machikan yan. Tapos isasangag ko ang ating kanin. Sasangag ko na lahat para bukas. Pagkilala lang natin yung oil. Parang mas madali. Gulo ka, no? Parang simple lang po. Lang natin yung pagkilala. Yes, nilagyan ko na ng pampalasa at saka ng konting what you call this oil. This one is canola oil fresh from the farm. San ka pa? Ang tagal na sa remote yun, ha? Ang kirain ko. Ang naluto ko. Ano lang? Like, tortang talong. Like, parang wala siyang manipad. Okay, this na mga sabitas. Pakita ko sa'yo at kakain na tayo. Oh my God! Paano mga Jobber Cats? After 11 years, kakain na rin tayo ng tortang talong, daing, at saka yung talong na urong sul. Kakain na tayo, magkakamay tayo. Siyempre, I was so excited, so I need some, I need some spoon kasi mainit yung aking sandok. Mga nakaliguran, dos ko kanya naman mapali-mali-mali, walang tamang ko kayong asigan. So mga nakaliguran. So ayning kaya katang balasenas. Kinita naman mo yung kusina. Diba? Kanyaman na, oh. Kanyaman na, be? Kainan na. Ingdaing na. Kanyaman ang daing na, ne? Kaitik tinimeng. Hindi ka pa pang version kata. Ito yung aslam. Aslam, atin yan lara. Wow, atin yan si boys ala ko mong bawang. Alright, we gonna eat. Oh my God. It was so yummy. Yaman na. Gusto ini. Kaya mapagalakaloob ako. Wow. Naman. Kay, ating kampang tulak na. Diyos ko, may sira yung diet mo. Ba't ngayon mo? May pumpa. Yung kasong dahil ngayon, may iba dyan, mga medyo. And saan mo mga medyo from? Yes. Ba't napaking dabaw? Ano naman? Ating kanasin, may gamat na ako. Wow. So mga Jobber Cats, ito kasama kay Kumain. We always inspired, never expired. Filipino food, daing, tortang, talong, at saka sandamakmak na kape. Maranda po sa inyo lahat. We always inspired, never expired ang mga natin ng sipagay pang ating kaimanan. To all our breadwinning award, congratulations. Maranda po sa inyo lahat. Bye bye, subscribe, leave, comment, and share.